Hey up, my name's Jamie. Good afternoon. I usually say good morning, but it's afternoon. Who'd have thunk? I've been waiting all day for the weather to change, and it has done. So I'm going to now arguably do, well, it's not really an argument. It is most definitely the scariest thing I have ever done with my DJI Mini 4K. Let's get into it. Today I decided what I'm going to do is try and see the flight distance, or test some flight distance with the DJI Mini, see how far away we can get from our position now. Now the sun typically is glaring, so you might not be able to see on the screen, so you'll just have to trust me with the numbers that I show you and the flight footage that you see. So let's spin her up, I guess. I'm going to keep it in normal mode. And we'll start recording. And here we are. Now the wind, as you can probably tell on the mic, is gusting slightly. And at the minute, here we are. I don't know if you can see because of that sun glare, but we're only 3 meters away from our current position. So we'll fly. I'm going to keep her low. I'm going to keep her at about, I don't know. I can't see with this thing in my face. I don't know if this is going to work. We're going to say about 20 meters for the minute. I'll bring it down so I can see her more clearly. Now, like I said, this is the most terrifying thing I have done with my drone so far. At the minute, we're 64 meters away. You can see down this lovely track. Get a little bit of altitude. We'll start moving forward again. We're now passing through 100 meters away. Get some height. This is absolutely terrifying. I don't mind saying, yeah, that sun is going to seriously cause issues for this screen. I'm very dubious about turning away from it, so I'm not going to do that. So yeah, for the most part, you're just going to have to trust me, I'm afraid, because I am absolutely terrified. So we're 250 meters away. I can just see the drone, so we'll get a little bit of height. Strong wind warning. Lower immediately and return to home manually. Right. So it looks like due to the wind, we're going to have to cancel this flight, I'm afraid. And return to home. Now luckily on here it does have a Google Maps type of system for this sort of thing, so if you don't have visible sightline on your drone, you can follow your flight path directly back to where you was. Now do bear in mind that when you're flying back towards yourself, the sticks will be inverted in a way, so just bear that in mind. And you can see it returning back to us now. Yeah. And there we are, you can see. Yeah, you can see it doddering about all over the place. So unfortunately, we're going to have to abandon the flight today due to the high winds. You can see her dumpering about all over there. So I'm going to think of a different video that I can do And yeah, unfortunately, we're gonna have to leave it there. So unfortunately, the wind has got the better of us. It did give a strong wind warning on the drone, and I'm not going to push it past its limits. It's just not worth causing any damage to the drone. So hopefully maybe we'll try again tomorrow, see if the wind calms down, or if we can find somewhere a little bit calmer to fly it ourselves. So unfortunately, that one's a bit of a bust, but keep on watching and we'll get there. So for now, my name's Jamie, I'm your Yorkshire Walker, and I'm out. Peace. Catch you on the next one. And don't forget to like and subscribe, that would be awesome.